Greetings, welcome to your Prophet Plus. So in this episode, the esteemed man of God, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, for the prophetic word, the prophetic advice for the nation of Zimbabwe about the minerals and how to manage our minerals. And he's saying that if his instruction can be followed, Zimbabwe can be one of the richest countries in the world. So I'll leave you towards this video. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and God bless you.
They might say we have up to 70 something different minerals in this country, but we are over 100 kinds of minerals. Why? Because minerals, some of them, God doesn't have to keep on giving you. You have to discover. You have to. Some of the stones that we are extracting now, before now they were just mere stones. Some of these granite, it was nothing before. As long as you can empower your brain, the more you empower your brain, even that which was a waste can become a mineral. Useless dust, tiles are being made from that. Bricks are being made from that. When manna ceases, when the super ceases, how do we all become millionaires? Every child, every citizen of this country can have $1 million sitting in their account. From where? From the ground. Are you telling me we don't have 15 trillion worth of minerals? It's more than that. I know that. It's more than that. It's more than that. What we don't know is what we have. We don't know that we have it. The nation is at that point where God is asking Moses, what do you have in your hand? And I hope Moses knows what he has. That's the problem that we have. We have it, but we don't have a name for it. For us to put a name to what we have, gentlemen, there was supposed to be a serious mobilization of funds towards one agenda called the discovery of what we have, where exploration, investigating what Zimbabwe really is, where we probe into our promised land, and exploration is done at an extensive level, where we bring, even if it means we have to import expertise from outside, we bring in different people that are well versed in understanding the rocks, because our earth is a rock. These are purely natural people, not even prophets, natural people. We have an understanding on how to lay hands on rocks and not on people. And our resource is quantified, and our resource is measured. Then our resource is bankable. And suddenly you are told how much Zimbabwe is worth. according to those findings, hear me. Once you know that Zimbabwe is worth 50 trillion, or Zimbabwe is worth 100 trillion,
50 trillion kana 100 trillion.
I'm not saying you will get a million after mining. No. Minerals, God did not put those minerals down there so that we mine and then we get money. We can leave it there. Look at where economies have gone to now. You can assess your place, know what you have, and declare it, and you can list it. And you start making money from a mine that you are not mining. If you can define the rod that you carry, if you can tell God this is a rod, imagine a country that is listed. I'm not saying we are selling everything. 15 trillion is just a fraction.
15 trillion.
And we say as a nation we are worth so much. Why? We have confirmed it. Gentlemen, I've told you this before. I said if you have got a 10-hectare claim, God claim, if you drill it, you find good results, and the results are not questionable, with those findings, any bank should give you cash. Unless if it's not a bank, any proper bank, based on your findings, your knowledge of what you have, you are given cash to then go and work on that area. Their confidence is derived from your findings, knowing what you have. So what if your entire country is a claim of gold? The same approach applies. And there are nations ready to finance you based on what you have in the ground. Not even you mining it. Not even you mining it. Am I talking to someone here? And then we go back to that old prophecy that I gave you. Now when they are coming, you don't get their money. You gave them a vast piece of land and you say, we don't want a single Zimbabwean to be homeless. For you to have access to our confirmed resource, we need 1 million houses over there. Against what we have. Hospitals over there. The technology that you have in your countries. Hotels that you have in your, we want you to duplicate your country. You bring it into this country against what we have. Don't bring your cash. Bring your infrastructure. Now, they are not taking over the entire country. It's just maybe 16%. that you can seed into the hands of the investor. And he gives all of you access to shelter. And you are delivered from the cloud by day. And you are delivered from manna from heaven. Why? Because you have now arrived. Are you following this? Are you following this? Are you following this? Are you following this? Maybe I'm talking to people, maybe your understanding in this area is somehow limited. What I'm saying is, there is a way of knowing what is in the ground. Apart from bringing it out, there is a way. Technology now can allow you to penetrate into the ground whilst you spiritual people are busy ascending into the heavens. You can get into the ground and know what you have. You can calculate it to the dot. I know places like that. All they do after maybe 3 months or even 1 year, they come, they drill another extra hole. The value of that place goes up.